skirt and some Birks. I have this black gingham long skirt with this blue tank, a cap, and Birkenstocks for now, but I'll probably change into sneakers later. It's early in the morning. We just went to Lawson and picked up some convenience store snacks, and here's a little snack haul.
First up, we have a melon latte I found.
How is it?
Oh, it's good. They're like melon, like pieces of fruit.
Pearls or just chunks?
Chunks of fruit. Very good. Sweet start to the day.
Okay, next what should we try? I say this.
Yep.
Next, we got this little pudding cup. I saw this online a few times, so I thought it would be interesting. It's so cute. It's so jiggly.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's so silky. It's like silk on tofu. Oh my god, I love that.
That's really good.
It tastes like
creme brulee.
it has the texture of like super silky good custard, but then it tastes like caramel to me. Oh, super good.
That's my new favorite thing.
Okay, the next one we can compare is this. It's another pudding, but this one looks like it doesn't have the dark part on top, so we'll see how this one compares. This one's all white. This one has a much milkier flavor, whereas this one's more caramelly.
I like this one a lot. It almost tastes coconutty a little, right?
Oh wait,
Like
you're right,
almond.
it does. This one's less sweet. A mochi roll with matcha and a Hokkaido milk cream cake roll. Open that one and I'll open this one. Cheers. I somehow had a piece of plastic in my mouth from the fork wrapper.
Two versions with matcha and red bean, it looks like.
I've never had a roll cake with mochi on the outside.
Okay.
It's cool.
Out of all the things we had, which one was your fave?
I think either one of the puddings are my favorite. And my least favorite was this one because it literally just tastes like a melon ice cream.
I think this is my favorite.
Honestly, same
white
one. I like both the puddings. It's so good. I need another bite. Bye.
너무 예쁘다. Oh my gosh. Black sesame. I love this. It's like the juiciest dry.
Is it black sesame paste? And then it was time for some more shopping.
I got ginger gyoza, inari with various fillings. Trying the gyoza. Oh, that's a good filling. I love the ginger flavor. Time to try the first inari pouch. I like that. I like the sesame seeds they put in. This one looks like it has vegetables.
Wasabi.
Oh yeah. Wait, that's so good.
Best.
I guess I'm a wasabi lover now. The wasabi one was so good. How's the strawberry milk?
So good. It almost tastes like a yogurt drink.
Better than melon?
10 times better.
Good.